Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're making a king cake for our church's Shrove Tuesday dinner tomorrow night. And let's get started. Okay, our water's warm. Now we'll add our sugar and our yeast. We're going to stir that up and we're going to let that sit for 5 minutes. That way our yeast can grow. And the sugar, of course, helps activate the yeast. Okay, we'll set this aside for 5 minutes. Now we want to put our flour. We want to add our nutmeg. And our lemon zest. We're going to combine this. And then we'll set this aside while we're waiting on our yeast mixture. We'll go ahead and add our eggs. Our vanilla extract. Our melted butter. Yeast is frothy. Add it to the mixing bowl and mix this up. It says to mix briefly and then start adding our dry ingredients. Okay, I think it's about what we want. Nice, great dough ball. Feels beautiful. All we have to do now is to put it in a greased bowl. Okay, so we'll put it in the oven with the light on and let it raise for about 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, we have all our bread, sweet bread, rising in the oven. And now we're going to mix up our filling. Okay, we have our cream cheese and our brown sugar. Add our cinnamon, salt, and lemon peel. Okay, here's our first dough that we put in the proof box. What we want to do here is make a rectangle. We're going to make a ring, and we want it about 18 by 30 inches. So we want to lay down to sprinkle our brown sugar, and we want to keep a ½ inch away from all the edges. This is the traditional filling, and we're just going to put brown sugar and our cinnamon. I'm tempted to put raisins in here, but it would not be a king cake if I did. You want to roll it tightly, just like a cinnamon roll. Now I want to pinch this seam. I've seen this on YouTube. This, there we go. And what we want to do is we're going to make a ring out of this. So we want to pinch all these edges together. So here is ring number 1. I hope that stays. We're going to cover it and let it rise. Okay, now for this one, we're using the cream cheese mixture we made. We're just gonna spread it over. Toasted some pecans. So we'll bake this at 350 for about 45 minutes. And our first one is out of the oven. Now we'll let it cool, and then we'll make a frosting to go on it and decorate it the way the king cake should be decorated. Thank you for stopping by. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.